Thank you for purchasing the Tesla Model 3 window and door switches wrap from EV Wraps. This installation video will guide you step by step to successfully install the wrap. To prevent the wrap from stretching, we recommend that you perform this installation in a cool temperature, preferably less than 80 degrees Fahrenheit and away from direct sunlight. We will start with the driver's side. Clean the window switches and door exit area with the cleaning wipe. Make sure to clean all the surfaces and all the corners thoroughly. Please refer to the cover sheet to identify the cracked wraps. Starting with the window switch border, peel off the backing paper and align it against the right area as shown. Slowly work your way around the bottom right corner to ensure there are no creases on the wrap. Align at the bottom and adhere along the left side. Make sure to cover up all the glossy surfaces. Please pay close attention to not let the wraps stick to each other. The goal is to cover up all the gloss black surface, so please take your time to align the wrap properly. If there are any visible creases, make sure to take care of it immediately by pulling the wrap back to the crease and try again. Use the squeegee to tuck the wrap inside all the corners. Adhere the remaining right wrap and use the squeegee to tuck in the rest of the wrap. Next, we will be wrapping the 4 window buttons, including the emergency door latch. For all the buttons, line up the hole to the horizontal light indicator. Adhere the surface first and then the front side of the button. For the emergency door latch, align along the bottom and keep the wrap taut as you adhere the remaining surface. The wrap is a trapezoid with the bigger end on the bottom and the skinnier end on the top. Check all the surfaces one more time to ensure that they are properly installed. Now we will work on the driver's side door exit area. Start at the bottom right side of the border and make sure the wrap is aligned around the button. Adhere the wrap at the top and at the bottom towards the left side. Use your finger to slowly adhere the left side and make sure that there are no creases. Align and adhere the top wrap to the surface while keeping the wrap taut. Use the squeegee to tuck in the remaining wrap to all the corners. For the door exit button, line up the hole to the horizontal light indicator and adhere it to the surface. Check all the surfaces one more time to ensure that they are properly installed. Moving to the passenger side door, clean the window switch area and the door exit area with the cleaning wipe. Refer to the cover sheet to identify the correct wraps for the passenger side. Peel off the window switch border wrap and align it against the left curve area as shown. Once aligned, adhere the bottom left curve first and then the bottom of the wrap. Slowly work your way up around the curve while keeping the wrap taut. When done, work your way to the right and adhere the remaining wrap while keeping it taut. Use the squeegee to tuck in the wrap to all the corners. Again, for the emergency door latch, the wrap is a trapezoid with the bigger end on the bottom and the skinnier end on the top. Align along the bottom as shown and adhere the rest to the surface. For the button, line up the hole to the horizontal light indicator. Adhere the surface first, then the front side of the button. Use the squeegee to tuck in any remaining wrap to the corners. For the door exit area, start at the bottom left side and make sure the wrap is aligned properly around the button. Adhere the wrap at the top and at the bottom until you are at the right side. Use your finger to slowly adhere the right side and make sure there are no creases. Align and adhere the top wrap to the surface while keeping the wrap taut. Use the squeegee to tuck in the remaining wrap to all the corners. For the door exit button, line up the hole to the horizontal light indicator and adhere the wrap to the surface. Moving to the rear driver side door, clean the window switch area and the door exit area with the cleaning wipe. Align the window switch border against the right curve area as shown. Work your way to the left, then up, to adhere all the wrap to the surface. Use the squeegee to tuck in the wrap to all the corners. For the button, line up the hole to the horizontal light indicator and adhere the wrap to the surface. Follow the same process as before to install the door exit area and the button. For the rear passenger side door, repeat the same process as earlier to install the window switch area and the button. Follow the same process as before to install the door exit area and the button. Thank you for purchasing the Tesla Model 3 window and door switches wrap from EV Wraps. For additional products and tutorials, please visit us at evwraps.com.